Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So guys, I'm back like I never left. Like I said before, I'm going to be dropping another video, right? So I'm going to be trying my best and becoming online. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare. So if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. And to my old subscribers that are still with me, even though that I'm misbehaving, I'm not coming online regularly, I am so sorry. Thank you for still staying true with me. Yes guys, so I've been busy. Like I said before, my online training is keeping me so busy, you know, business, you know, selling and all that, making TikTok videos. Mostly, yes, on TikTok I'm active. On TikTok I'm really active on TikTok. So if you want to be seeing me every now and then, come to TikTok, because now I do most of my reviews on my TikTok page and also my Facebook page, because here on YouTube, so difficult. You have to try to make a long video, then you have to try to be editing also. So guys, I'm going to be talking about this nice beautiful body lotion, and I'm going to tell you the reason why I am telling you to go and use this body lotion. I'll be telling you the reason why you should be using this body lotion, even if you have your own lightening body lotion. Let me tell you something. I always say this thing. See, it is not a crime to use a lightening lotion. It is not a crime to use a whitening lotion. It is not even a crime to use a bleaching body lotion if you have the money, and also if you know how to use it. One thing is using a bleaching product, a lightening product, a whitening product. The other thing is for you to know how to protect your skin tissue, right? You have to know how to protect your skin tissue, because that matters a lot. There are some whitening products that are going to condemn your skin tissue because that lotion has really eaten up your skin, you know. See, the more you are getting lighter, the more you are getting whiter, your skin is becoming softer, right? So, and the more your skin is becoming softer, the more your skin is going to be attracted to different type of skin infections or skin reaction or whatsoever. So I'm not telling you to stop your whitening body lotion, your bleaching lotion, but now I'm going to be introducing a product that you can also be using alongside with your whitening or lightening or brightening products, right? So for me, I use a lightening product and I use my own handmade lightening product, but still I don't use it every day. I don't do it every day. No, I give some days off. I really give some days off. Like if I'm using my lightening lotion 4 days in a week, then the remaining 3 days in a week I use other products. And I'm going to be showing you one of the products that I am using. Yes, and before I show you that product, I was using Nivea. Yes, I was using Nivea as my substitute. Like the days I'm not using my lightening lotion, then I will be using Nivea, right? So Nivea is good, is nice. Is it moisturizing? I really do not know. I cannot feel any moisturizing, like I cannot feel my skin being moisturized. I cannot feel any oiling because I was using the lotion. I cannot feel any oiling feeling on my skin. My skin will still remain dried after using Nivea. So I was trying to go to I went to what is it called, TikTok, you know, check for reviews and all that, and I saw this lotion that I in fact I know this lotion, but I really do not give it, because I did not rate this lotion, because this lotion is made from China. It's China product. You know one thing about China products, they will tell you whitening, but go white you, my dear. So now this is the body lotion. It is called a body lotion. So I saw this body lotion on TikTok review. How moisturizing it is. It's going to brighten, it's going to leave your skin moisturized. That must, the thing is moisturizing. Just keep your skin moisturizing. So I said, let me buy this product. I bought it and it was fucking, so it was so good. It keeps your skin moisturized for good 24 hours of the day, and I love it. I love it. It's just like you're applying make on your skin. So what I do, I will use my lightening lotion 4 days in a week. Like I use my lightening lotion Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I drop it. That is I drop it because I don't want to hear any skin here, that this reaction. I have to drop it. Then I'll get this body lotion, use it on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 3 days in a week. So this has been helping me. This is good. This is the best way to keep your skin. This lotion is very good. And one thing is that dark person can use it, light person can use it, white person can use it. It is not going to take you darker. The only reason for this lotion to take you darker is only when you bleached. When you bleach, like you have been using bleaching lotion, that is the only reason why this body lotion is going to take you darker. No, but if you're lightening complexion, it is natural. You're dark in complexion, you're caramel. You cannot imagine that white people are using this body lotion. I was like, wow, this is so good on the skin. So one thing about this body lotion, you're going to see they wrote 3 days strong whitening. I'm sorry, that is a lie. It is not going to whiten your skin. So if you're coming to order this product from me, you want to order this product from another vendor, and you're expecting this product to lighten you, girl, it's not going to lighten you. Trust me, it is not going to whiten you. Rather, it is not going to whiten you. You see that brightening, of course it's going to give you a brightening complexion. You see that glow, it's going to give you a glow complexion. You see that moisturizing, it's going to give you a moisturizing skin benefits, right? And for you that your skin has already, you have destroyed your skin already, you want something that is going to put your skin in check. You want something that is going to keep your skin you want to maintain your skin. You have been using bleaching products, and for you also that you have used bleaching product, but now you want to go back to start using normal products. You want to this is what you should start using. This is what you should start using. This lotion is a banger. This lotion is a banger. So I'm going to tell you, it is made with which is AHA, which is AHA. AHA contains lactic acid, and they said 5 times skin whitening. Sorry to say, it is not going to whiten your skin. Please trash that part. And they said it's going to remove acne marks. Of course, it's going to clear your skin mark. For those that have mark on their skin, their legs, their back, this is going to do the job for you. And he said it's going to clear dark spots. Of course, it's going to help to clear your body spots. Yes, it's going to clear your body spots, and it's going to soften. It's going to soften your skin. Like this one is 200%. Like this is going to soften your skin. I have used it and I start selling it. It is going to soften your skin. You see this one, so 200% guaranteed. You see that softening skin, you're going to get it. And moisturizing, of course, is going to moisturize your skin. And it says skin firming. Yes, skin firming is going to firm your skin, because most of you your skin is slack already because of too much of whitening. Every day whitening. I said it before, if you're doing whitening every day is not good. You have to do whitening some days, right? So this is going to help to firm your skin for those of you that have slack skin, stretch mark, everything. And skin corrector, yes, it's going to correct your skin. Like I said before, you have condemned your skin tissue. This is going to help to correct it. So this body lotion, please, take note. It is not going to whiten your skin. It is not going to whiten your skin. Please, it is not going to whiten your skin. So that you don't say, they said it's a whitening lotion, they wrote whitening lotion, yes, strong whitening lotion. Trash that part. You know, China people, they always tag their product as whitening. No, this is a normal brightening body lotion. And let me tell you, to an extent, your kids from 12 years can use this body lotion. So you can imagine, your kids from 12 years can use this body lotion, because it's just only going to soften their skin, brighten their skin, glow their skin, right? There's nothing like whitening in here. Your husbands, if you're looking for a body lotion for guys, you know, your guy is looking for body lotion, your guy does not trust your own body lotion, get him this body lotion. Now I'm going to be leaving the link of this body lotion on my description box. On my description box, I will be leaving the link of this body lotion there, so you can order it. I sell on eBay. I also sell on my website. So for those in UK, those in US, those in Canada, Australia, any part of the world, European, you can order this from my website, right? But those in Germany, just in Europe, those in Europe, like European Union, Germany, Austria, France, Italy, Spain, you can order this from my eBay shop. But for those that does not know, a lot of people don't have eBay account. So if you don't have eBay account, go to my website. The link will be below the description box of this video. Go to my website and order for this body lotion. Come back and thank me later. And for those of you that have been using this body lotion, please, can you kindly drop your review? What's your thought about this body lotion? Leave your review, drop it under this comment section. You know, so that people will know how good this body lotion is. It's not just capping, it's not just a hype. This body lotion is absolutely good. You can go and try it. Your kids from 12 years can actually use this body lotion. Your husband can use it, you can use it, you know. This is very, very good. So guys, if you have any question, if you want me to recommend any products for you, leave it below the comment section. I'm going to recommend any products for you. And you can also follow my TikTok page. That is where I drop my video every day. There I do a lot of reviews on my TikTok page. You want to join my online training class, of course, we are open, train you on how to make skincare products. So guys, thank you, and I'm going to be seeing you soon in my other next video. Bye.